Hi everyone. For this presentation, we will be taking a look at Adobe Premiere Pro, the newest version. And what Adobe Premiere Pro does is helps you to, in the post-production of video. So if you are taking video and need to slice pieces of it together to make a finished product, that's what this part of what the software program does. So I will be running through today and teaching you just how to do basic, put two basic clips together with a fade feature in the middle. So to begin, we'll click on the new project link and give this project a name, just give it project 1, and click OK. And what you'll see is when this pops up, like many Adobe products, you'll notice that it has several different panes for you to do your work in. The main panes that we'll be dealing with today is this section here in the effects pane, because we'll be adding that effect, that fade effect. The timeline, and we'll cover that in a little more detail in a second. And this is the actual where the video will appear. So in order to get started, we'll click on that File button to import the video. And I happen to have a few videos here in MP4 format, and I'll click Open, and that will bring that video into Adobe Premiere. All right, and it will show up right here in the project box, and once it does, you can click that and drag it over, and you'll notice that it moves it over here into the timeline. So let's go ahead and get our other clip, because the purpose of our video is we are going to combine two clips together. So I'm going to grab one more. So import that, and we'll do 17. Open that, and you'll notice that appears right over here once that file opens. And again, same thing, we'll just grab that and pull it right over here. And this is a rather short one. So we have our clips in the timeline. So now in order to add that effect, that is what it's called, is an effect when we merge these two together to make a smooth transition. And we'll go down to video transitions and click that drop down. And then a real easy one to work with is this dissolve. And we'll just do cross dissolve. So again, in order to make this action happen, we will just click that and drag it into the timeline. And you'll notice a little gray bar right there pops up to show us that we've put in that cross dissolve. And there's really just a short amount of media, as that message showed. So we're not going to get the full effect. But in essence, what we've done is put two video clips together and used a cross dissolve in order to make that smooth transition between the two.